Hey, did you know that we can travel from Singapore to Kuala Lumpur within 2 hours by car?
What? That's impossible. 2 hours for 500 kilometers?
It is possible by having a floating car. Oh hi, hello. First of all, let's introduce my team. Our group name is
Psycho Science.
I'm Hafiz.
I'm Hafizan.
And I'm Ashraf, aka Ninja Turtle.
So, what we are going to show today for the school lab is about magnetic levitation, or in short form known as maglev. Did you know that magnet have two poles? Now, you imagine this magnet bar, and then these north poles and south poles.
Whenever you put north pole of the magnet close enough with another north pole, it will repel each other. But if I put north pole close to south poles, it will attract each other.
Wow, is that amazing?
Indeed, science always amazing, such as magic.
Well, by applying this simple concept, we can develop the idea and invent a floating car or floating train.
Cool.
Okay, now I will demonstrate to you how to build a simple model of maglev car. The things that we need just 2 round magnet with the hole at the center, 4 bar magnet, a pencil, and blue text as the holder. As we attach 2 pairs of the magnet at the base, put the pencil into the round magnet. Position it so it is in the parallel of the pair magnet. Put it gently and the magic happens. You can try to twist it.
Ta-da!
Wow, a floating pencil!
Yes, with this simple model, we can develop the idea so that one day it is not impossible to have a floating vehicle.
But how can this happen? What is the explanation behind this concept?
Well, let me explain to you. As we attach the pairs of the magnet together, it will build a magnetic field around it. Then, we attach the pencil which are surrounded by magnet on top of it. We create the same poles of the magnet, so then it will repel the magnet. So, the pencil keep hanging, floating.
Okay, great. So that's all for our team. We hope that this video can encourage others who are watching to love science and develop their ideas about STEM, which stands for science,
Technology
Engineering
and mathematics.
Thank you.
Bye bye.